Hi, I'm Kevin Dadaczynski. I work at Potsdam University as Professor of Health Education. My talk was about health information seeking behavior and about the skills necessary to process health information, especially in adolescence. This is important for various reasons for public health. First and foremost, young people spend a lot of time in digital spaces, especially on social media, where the quality of health information varies greatly. And secondly, health is becoming an increasingly important topic, which is why young people spend a huge time in online spaces to get these kind of information. The idea is how we can protect young people from misinformation and disinformation. This includes, amongst others, the health literacy, those skills they need to process health information, but this also includes the measures that we need to take on a setting level, but also on a system level to protect young children and adolescents.